Hello parents, my name is Jeannie Vimlea and I'm a math interventionist at Vicence Elementary. I'm here to share some tips with you on how to prevent the loss of math knowledge over the summer. Tip number one is to play games with your child that reinforce math skills. For example, games like Yahtzee, Sorry, Monopoly, Scrabble. Jenga is great for developing spatial awareness. If you have grid paper, you could have your child plot some coordinates and play a game of Battleship with you. And if you have dice or just a deck of cards and do a quick internet search, you will find tons of ideas for games that actually reinforce math skills. Tip number two is to just talk to your child about real world math whenever you get a chance. If you take a road trip this summer, you might talk about the distance. If you go to a baseball game, you might talk about what shapes your child sees on the field. If your child is older, you might talk about decimals and compare batting averages. If you cook with your child, that's a great chance to talk about fractions and ratios. So just talking to your child about real world math is my second tip. Tip number three is to utilize websites that also help with math facts. I like to use Math Playground, ABCya, that's abcya.com. If your child is in grade 3 or older, you can use Khan Academy, that's KHAN, or IXL.com. And remember, when you talk to your child about math, always ask them how they figured out the answer and praise them for their reasoning in order to boost their confidence. Have a great summer.